Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you Wix sticky header tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So the first thing you need to do here is you need to go to wix.com, log in into your account, and access your website's admin page. In this case, go to your setup or homepage here, click on edit site top right, and you should open up your editor here or your specific editor here for your website. So what we need to do is we need to actually access a specific setting here. So just to give you an example, here's my current website and it doesn't have that sticky header here. Let's go back into our editor here. In this case, go ahead and click on your header here. And from here, click on the header scroll settings here. You should see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, you just need to click on the freezes option here. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to click on the publish at the top right here to make our changes. Now, in this case, once you've done that, you should be able to have your site have that sticky header here. So in this case, I'm just going to reload my website here, and it should actually reflect my recent changes. As you can see, it's now sticky, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.